and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If y'all oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with a wig review. So I did purchase this wig. This is the Sensational Express Lace Parting Wig, 100% pure fiber. This is a lace parting. I got this in a T1B / copper red, and this is Miss D. This is how she's looking right here, and this how the color looking now. Come on, color. Okay, so this is a head tie deep lace parting, and this is again from Sensational Lace Parting Wig, and it looks like this. So let's just go ahead and take her out and see what we doing. Okay. So this is how it looks when I take it out the packaging. Look at that color. We stepping out the box. Say what? I'm just tossing this stuff on the floor, yeah. Okay. Let's take the lace off. Ooh, I already love this curl. Look at this. Giving me so much life. And it has the black and it goes into the red. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's take this little cord off so we can see what it's about. Okay, so here's the stock cord right here. How many times I done said okay? Just so y'all can see again. So here is the wig once it's out of the little packaging. I'm not going to comb it out because I don't want it to get everywhere. But this is how it's looking. So bouncy. I love that. It has a few little baby hairs. They give you some baby hairs right here, you can see. But y'all know I don't know no baby hairs. I be trying. But we go inside this little cap and see the construction. It has two combs right next to each other. It has a comb in the back. I'm so close. Y'all like, girl, move back. Then it has this little lacing right here, and it has the adjustable straps, which I always leave on the last little strap because my head is big, and this is not on the last strap. So let me go ahead and put it on the last strap because I need it on the last one because I need big hair friendly and my head is big. So I'm sorry, y'all. But all my little big head sissies, y'all already know what's up. And I probably need to change some of my other wigs. Okay, so I adjusted it to the last little strap. So we is just going to see. Oh, girl, I done messed her up. Okay, so we just gonna go ahead and put this one on. It's already looking like so much hair. We're gonna put this on and take this off. So I'll be back. So this is Miss D when I put her on before doing anything to her. So I'm glad I adjusted the straps. It fits so much better. It's like even coming over my ear. And there was no lace to cut off. So this is how it's looking in the front. No lace to cut off. It's going like ear to ear with a wig, you know what I mean? So this is how it's looking. These curls are just phenomenal. Like, I'm getting all kind of beach waves. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm getting a Diana Ross feel. I'm getting a, just give me a fan so my hair can blow back. Like, oh, yeah, this is pretty. Like, this is pretty. I'm about to go in and try to do something to this part. I'm about to try to do something to the top of this because I don't like the top of it. And I'm about to see if I can lay these baby hairs. And I'm going to be back to tell y'all how I feel. I'm back, y'all. So I put a little Fit Me pot in here. Some 360. I plucked the pot. I tried at least. I don't know, y'all. I don't like the pot. I don't like that it has humps right here. And it has a hump right here. I don't like that. I don't like back here that I can feel the track a little bit. I can feel the tracks. I don't like that. I tried to put some wax stick on here. I tried to put some mousse on here to try to like flatten it down. I put my little rock wand on here. And it's, I don't like it. I don't like that. It's okay. Let me see if I can try it as like a side part. Because the middle part, it's not doing it for me. Let's see if we can do something like this. And see. Okay. Okay. The side part is giving me a little life. Just a little tad bit. Okay. We might have to wear a side part because, yeah, we might have to do a side part like this. This is cute. I feel like this hair after a while is gonna be big, and I mean like a big. And yeah, I don't know. The hair is soft. I know it's gonna tangle. It was shedding a little bit, but that's because I was cutting a little piece, but I was trying to do something, y'all. But this is cute. Let me just show y'all how it look from the sides. Here is the back of it. The back. Here is the other side. And then I'm back at the front. So if I bring all the hair to the front, it's a lot of hair. That ain't all of it. I'm trying not to do too much to these curls. But this is how it's coming, like right here above my breast. I really love the curls. I just love how, what is the word? I love how bouncy and full and just, maybe this can be like a Valentine's Day thing. I mean, maybe I'm just not a guru, so maybe I couldn't jazz it up. I like it sideways. I don't think that I would wear this as a middle part. Let me see how it's looking on the other side. These little combs, I didn't ask to use this comb now. Okay. Let's see. I mean, even this is cute. This is cute. It's cute. It's okay. Maybe, I don't know. I just don't like the baby hairs. This is cute. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this one. The curls is a yes. The color is a yes for me. The humpage is a no. The longevity of this is a no. But, I mean, you know, it's still a no. Y'all put down y'all opinion at the bottom. I don't know about this one. This probably going to be a no-go for me. It's probably going to be a no-go for me. But the curls are cute. But I'm just not, it's not giving me what I need. It's not giving me the life I need. I need life, and it's killing me. I'm dying, suffocating. I just love how big the curls is. I would definitely wear it like this. The middle part, It was something about the middle part I ain't like. But this is cute. Maybe a different lippy, but this lippy cute too. But that's all I pretty much got to say. This probably is a no for me. Because I don't like this. I don't like it. Make me look like, I feel like a mat head. I don't know. But that's my video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all still can get this if y'all want to. I'm gonna put the price down below. I'm gonna put where I got it down below. And somebody else probably can jazz it up and do some stuff to with it. I probably can't. I just can't do. But yeah, it's gonna be a no for me. But it's cute though. But yeah, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Look at this. I feel tracks in the back. Oh, Lord. Tracks like I'm at the freaking railroad. Jesus. I left a good job down in the city. Working for the man every night and day. But I never lost 1 minute of sleep. And I was worried about the way that things might have been. Boom, boom. Big head, keep on. I don't know. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at music44. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.